Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can share your live location with your any of your loved ones. So for that you'll have to go on your iOS device and search for Find My, and you'll be able to see something like this. So just click on that. Once you open the app, you'll see something like this, and here are the devices which are connected. So you'll be able to see the people icon over here. So just click on that. Once you've clicked on the people, you can just start sharing your live location. Just click on start share location and select any of the contacts with who you want to share location with. And once they have accepted, and then you can just and then they can view your location, like wherever you are, they'll be able to navigate you on the map. And if you want to see any of your friends' location, ask your friend to share their location with you, and you have accepted, and then you'll be able to see their location. So that is how you can share your live location with your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.